Welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to do this. In this pattern you've got a fan that will stack on top of itself here and one in between that will stack on top of itself here. This is the back. Still pretty, it's still pretty. And this is the front. And I'm going to show you how to do this one row repeat. So to do this pattern, I'm using a size 8 hook. In the UK, that's a 5mm. That's one full size bigger than the yarn on the label tells me. We're going to start with sets of 6 stitches. So I'm putting a slip knot on my hook. Now if you can't do a slip knot, just place your hook down and tie a single knot on your hook like this. Do your foundation chain in sets of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't do it too tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we're going to do the base row. I'm going to add an extra 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now if you've miscounted in your chain, don't worry, and if you've got extra stitches then you can just pick them out. So we're going to go into the 4th stitch in your chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to do a treble crochet. That's yarn around your hook twice. Remember the yarn around your hook twice. So into there you're going to put 2 treble crochets, 1 and 2. Going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2 and do a single crochet. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2 and into the next one you're going to build a fan with 5 treble crochets. 1, 2, wrap your yarn around your hook twice. If you're in the UK, this is a double treble for you. So into that stitch put 5 treble crochets in a fan, yarn around twice through the same stitch. It's 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip 2, 1, 2 and do a single crochet. Skip 2 and build that fan of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip 2 and do a single crochet. Skip 2, then build your fan. You'll do that all the way along to the end and you should have and finish with a skip 2 and a single crochet at the end. If you have too many stitches after your last skip 2 and single crochet, just pick them out. So I've done my last fan of treble crochets. I'm going to skip 2 and into my last stitch I'm going to do a single crochet. Now if you've got extra stitches, just pick them out. We're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That counts as a treble crochet. Turn your work around and into that single crochet put 2 more treble crochets. 1 and 2. Now you're going to finish every row with a single crochet, chain 4 and turn, and you'll always put 2 more treble crochets into that single crochet at the beginning. Now we're just going to repeat the row again. Skip 2 and single crochet into the top of the fan. From now on you'll be doing a single crochet into the top of the fan, and you'll build your next fan in that double crochet down there. Skip 2, single crochet into the top of the fan, skip 2 and build your fan of 5 treble crochets down here. Remember, unwind your yarn around twice when you do the treble crochets. And if you're in Europe or the UK, this is a treble, this is a double treble for you. So skip 2 and do a single crochet. Skip 2 and build your fan. Remember, wrap your yarn twice. Put 5 in this single crochet. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip 2, single crochet. Skip 2 and make your fan, and do that all the way to the end. So at the beginning you'll always have chain 4 and 2 treble crochets, and at the end you'll always have skip 2 and do a single crochet into the top of that chain. You'll chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn your work around, into the single crochet you'll put 2 trebles. So yarn over twice. This is a US treble. So that's 1 and 2. And that chain of 4 makes your third one. Skip 2 and single crochet. Skip 2 and build your fan, and you'll just repeat that row again. And when you get to the end, build your last fan, skip 2, single crochet, chain 4 and turn, and start again. And you'll get this. Now your edges will be nice and straight. Now when you're finished, what you can do, leave a tail long enough to stitch in. Pull your yarn through, turn your piece around, get your yarn. Now in to this corner, just push your hook through the stitches, pull your yarn through. I'm going to just twist my tail around twice. Now into this corner, I'm going to put a single crochet just into the corner. We're working back to front, remember. So down into this space down here, I'm going to build the fan. 1, that's 5. We need 5 USA treble crochets. That's 2, 3, 4 and 5. I'm going to go, this is a cluster, remember it's upside down. I'm going to go through the middle and put a single crochet. move down into this space and build another fan. That's 5 US treble crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now that's my upside down fan there. So just go into the middle of it, pull the stitches apart and do a single crochet. Go down to where that fan is, it's upside down, remember, and build another fan all the way along. So I've done my last fan along the bottom. Remember, your work is actually upside down. Into the cluster. Now you can see where your fan, your very first fan's been. Just open up the stitches and put a single crochet in. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to slip stitch along to the end. Just slip stitch along. Couple of slip stitches in. And then on the end I'm going to put a single crochet. Just pull it through, cut my yarn, pull the tail through, and you'll stitch your tails in. And what that's done is it's gave you a nice bottom on the bottom as well as a nice edge on the top. You've got nice straight edges up the side, so you don't really need to do anything to the side. You can, if you want, put a fan in, a double crochet, a fan, a double crochet, a fan down the side if that's what you want to do. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.